Did you know that 73% of companies fail to unlock the full potential of their data, missing out on crucial insights that could skyrocket their success? In this video, we're diving deep into the insider techniques that the top 1% of data analysts use to turn raw data into powerful, actionable insights. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your skills, these strategies will help you transform overwhelming data sets into your secret weapon for making smarter, faster decisions. Let's unlock the true power of your data together. Stay tuned. In today's data-driven world, information is king. Businesses and organizations are swimming in data, from customer transactions to website traffic to social media engagement. This data holds immense potential, offering valuable insights that can drive better decision-making, improve efficiency, and unlock new opportunities. However, raw data alone is not enough. To harness its true power, we need to analyze it, extract meaningful insights, and communicate those insights effectively. Data analysis is the process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful information, draw conclusions, and support decision-making. It's about turning raw numbers into actionable insights that can drive real-world impact. While the potential of data analysis is undeniable, many challenges can hinder our ability to extract meaningful insights. One of the most significant challenges is the sheer volume of data being generated today. This data deluge can be overwhelming, making it difficult to manage, process, and analyze effectively. Another challenge is the lack of effective tools and techniques. Data quality is another major obstacle. Data cleaning and preparation are essential steps in the data analysis process, but they can be time-consuming and tedious, especially when dealing with large and complex data sets. Data analysis is not just about crunching numbers or creating fancy charts, it's about telling a story with data, a story that informs, persuades, and inspires action. By weaving together data, narrative, and visualization, we can transform dry, technical information into engaging and memorable stories that resonate with our audience. This journey of mastering data analysis requires a deep understanding of the fundamental techniques and a willingness to embrace new tools and approaches. We will delve into the essential techniques of data cleaning, data visualization, and advanced data analysis tools. More importantly, we will uncover the power of storytelling in data analysis, learning how to communicate insights effectively and inspire action. Welcome to Act 1 of our data analysis journey, where we'll tackle the essential yet often overlooked task of data cleaning. Imagine baking a cake with spoiled ingredients. The result would be disastrous, right? Similarly, in data analysis, starting with dirty data leads to inaccurate insights and flawed decisions. Data cleaning is the crucial first step that ensures you're working with reliable and trustworthy information. This process involves identifying and correcting errors, inconsistencies, and inaccuracies that might skew your results. It's about ensuring your data is consistent, accurate, and complete, paving the way for reliable and insightful analysis. Missing data is a common problem in datasets, often arising from data entry errors, incomplete records, or merging data from multiple sources. Ignoring missing data can lead to biased analysis and inaccurate conclusions. Therefore, it's essential to identify the extent of missing data and employ appropriate techniques to handle it effectively. Common imputation methods include mean, median, and mode imputation, where missing values are replaced with the average, middle, or most frequent value of that variable. Duplicate data, another common issue, can arise from data entry errors, merging data sets, or collecting data from multiple sources. Duplicates not only inflate the dataset size, but also introduce bias and skew analysis results. Identifying duplicates involves comparing records based on specific criteria, such as unique identifiers or combinations of variables. Addressing these inconsistencies involves standardizing data formats, correcting spelling errors, and ensuring consistent units of measurement throughout the dataset. Fortunately, various tools and techniques are available to streamline the data cleaning process. Spreadsheet applications like Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets offer built-in features for data cleaning, such as removing duplicates, finding and replacing values, and data validation rules. For larger and more complex datasets, dedicated data cleaning and preparation tools provide advanced functionalities. Programming languages like Python and R offer powerful libraries and packages specifically designed for data cleaning and manipulation. While data cleaning lays the foundation for accurate analysis, data visualization breathes life into your findings, transforming raw numbers into compelling narratives that resonate with your audience. It's about painting a clear and concise picture of your data, revealing hidden patterns, trends, and outliers that might otherwise remain buried in spreadsheets. Effective data visualization goes beyond simply creating aesthetically pleasing charts and graphs. It's about choosing the right visualization method to represent your data accurately and meaningfully, enabling your audience to grasp key insights at a glance. Just as a carpenter selects the right tool for each woodworking task, choosing the appropriate chart type is crucial for effective data visualization. Each chart type excels at showcasing specific aspects of data, and understanding these nuances is key to presenting your findings clearly and convincingly. Bar charts, for example, are ideal for comparing distinct categories, while line charts excel at illustrating trends over time. Scatter plots help visualize relationships between two variables, while pie charts are best suited for showing parts of a whole. Therefore, carefully considering your data and the message you want to convey is crucial when choosing a visualization method. While basic chart types are effective for conveying fundamental insights, advanced visualization techniques allow you to delve deeper into your data and uncover hidden patterns, relationships, and anomalies. These techniques often involve combining multiple visualizations or using interactive elements to create a more engaging and insightful data exploration experience. Dashboards, for example, provide a centralized view of key performance indicators and metrics, allowing users to monitor performance, track progress, and identify areas for improvement. Interactive dashboards take this a step further, allowing users to filter, drill down, and explore data in real time, providing a more dynamic and insightful data exploration experience. Network graphs are another powerful visualization technique for exploring relationships and connections within data. The good news is that you don't need to be a coding wizard to create compelling data visualizations. Familiar tools like Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets offer built-in charting capabilities, allowing you to create basic charts and graphs with ease. However, as your data analysis needs grow and you seek more advanced visualization techniques, dedicated data visualization tools offer a wider range of options and capabilities. Popular data visualization tools include Tableau, Power BI, ClickSense, and Google Data Studio. Welcome to Act 3, where we'll equip you with the tools and techniques to tackle even the most challenging data analysis tasks. While spreadsheets and basic visualization tools are great for getting started, sometimes you need more firepower to handle large data sets, perform complex calculations, and uncover hidden patterns. That's where advanced data analysis tools come into play, offering a robust arsenal for data manipulation, statistical modeling, and machine learning. From programming languages like Python and R to specialized statistical software packages, a wide array of tools caters to different skill levels and analysis needs. Python has emerged as a dominant force in the world of data science, renowned for its versatility, ease of use, and a vast ecosystem of libraries tailored for data analysis. Think of Python as a Swiss Army knife for data professionals, equipped to handle everything from data cleaning and preparation to statistical modeling and machine learning. One of Python's key strengths lies in its readability and intuitive syntax, making it easier to learn and use compared to some other programming languages. Python's data analysis capabilities are further amplified by its rich ecosystem of libraries, each specializing in different aspects of data science. R, a programming language specifically designed for statistical computing and graphics, has long been a favorite among statisticians and data analysts. Think of R as a precision instrument for statistical analysis, equipped with a vast array of statistical tests, models, and visualization tools to extract meaningful insights from data. R's strength lies in its comprehensive collection of statistical packages, contributed by a global community of statisticians and researchers. Beyond its statistical prowess, R also excels in data visualization, offering a wide array of customizable charting and graphing capabilities. Advanced features for data exploration. While Python and R offer power and flexibility, Excel is a ubiquitous tool with advanced features. Excel harbors a treasure trove of features that enhance your data analysis workflow. Its built-in functions cover a wide range of statistical methods. Power Query connects to data sources, cleans and transforms data. VBA automates tasks, creates custom functions, and builds dashboards. Welcome to Act 4, where we'll unveil the magic of storytelling with data. You've cleaned your data and visualized your findings, but raw insights alone might not resonate with your audience. Transform those insights into a captivating story. Think of data as building blocks and storytelling as the blueprint. A data storyteller uses insights to construct a narrative that informs and inspires action. A compelling data story follows a clear narrative arc, just like a good book or movie. Start with a hook, present a problem, and use data to build a persuasive argument. Introduce the topic, explain why it matters, and highlight key questions. Use data points to illustrate trends, patterns, and anomalies. Explain what the data means, why it's significant, and suggested actions. Make your data accessible, understandable, and memorable. Visualizations are not just tools for data exploration, they're powerful storytelling devices that can bring your data to life and enhance the emotional impact of your narrative. Just as a film director uses cinematography to evoke emotions and create a mood, a data storyteller uses visuals to engage the audience and make data more relatable. Choose visualizations that complement your narrative and highlight key insights. Use color, size, and animation strategically to draw attention to important trends and patterns. Incorporate interactive elements that allow your audience to explore the data at their own pace, fostering a sense of discovery and engagement. Remember, the goal is not to overwhelm your audience with flashy graphics, but to use visuals strategically to enhance their understanding and emotional connection to the story you're telling. A well-chosen visualization can be worth 1,000 words, making complex data instantly understandable and impactful. Stories lodge in our memories long after facts fade. Frame your data within a compelling narrative to make it memorable. A good data story evokes emotions and inspires action. It connects personally, transforming data into something meaningful. Conclude by emphasizing key takeaways and actions. Inspire action and drive positive change. Reflecting on our data analysis journey, we covered key milestones. We acknowledged data's transformative power and its challenges. We learned to clean data, ensuring its quality for analysis. Finally, we explored data visualization, revealing hidden patterns and trends. But data analysis is more than just a set of techniques. It's a mindset, a way of approaching problems and making decisions based on evidence rather than assumptions. It's about embracing curiosity, asking critical questions, and using data to find answers that lead to meaningful actions. In today's data-rich environment, organizations and individuals who adopt a data-driven mindset gain a significant competitive advantage. They're better equipped to understand their customers, optimize their operations, and identify new opportunities for growth and innovation. They make more informed decisions, mitigate risks more effectively, and adapt more readily to changing market dynamics. Cultivating a data-driven mindset requires a willingness to challenge assumptions, embrace experimentation, and learn from both successes and failures. It's about fostering a culture of data literacy within organizations, where everyone understands the importance of data and feels empowered to use it to make better decisions. Data needs a narrative to resonate, evoke emotions, and inspire action. Crafting a compelling data story involves setting context, visualizing insights, and a clear call to action. Whether you're a business executive, scientist, or anyone making sense of data, storytelling with data is invaluable. Embrace the data-driven mindset and the power of storytelling.